Enlighten Crow. Learn faster. Speak like a crow. Mark, are you awake?
Yes, I feel bad.
You look terrible. You have been in bed since yesterday.
I know. I cannot get up.
What hurts? Tell me.
My stomach hurts. I feel sick.
Sick how? Do you have a fever?
I don't know. I feel hot, then cold.
I will check. You are warm.
I have a headache too. A big one.
And you were coughing a lot last night.
Yes, and my stomach is very upset.
You mean nausea?
Yes, I feel like I need to throw up.
Oh, Mark, this is not good.
I am so tired. I feel exhausted.
You need to drink some water.
I cannot. My stomach hurts too much.
Just a little. Please try.
Okay, I will try.
I will get Dad. We need to go to the doctor.
No, I just want to sleep.
No, Mark. You are too sick. I am getting Dad now.
Fine. Hurry up.
I will be fast. Don't move.
Dad, we have a problem.
What is it, Lisa? What is wrong?
It's Mark. He's very sick.
Still, he was sick yesterday.
Yes, but it is worse now. He has many symptoms.
Tell me the symptoms.
He has bad nausea. His stomach hurts a lot.
Did he throw up?
Yes, a few times. And he has diarrhea.
Oh no, that is serious.
He has a headache. He is coughing. He feels hot and cold.
Does he have a fever?
I think so. His forehead is warm.
He is too weak to get up.
Yes, he is exhausted. He just wants to sleep.
He needs a doctor. We cannot wait.
I told him that. He said no.
I am his father. I say yes.
Good. I agree.
I will drive him to the clinic.
Which clinic? The urgent care?
Yes, the one near the park. It is fast.
Should I come with you?
No, you stay here. Keep the house quiet.
Okay. I will clean up a little.
Thank you, Lisa.
Should I pack a bag for him?
Just his wallet and ID, and maybe a bottle of water.
He does not want to drink.
He must drink. I will make him try.
Okay. I will get his things ready.
I will go talk to him now.
I hope the doctor can help him fast.
Me too, Lisa. Me too.
I will wait for your call.
I will call you from the clinic.
Mark, wake up. We are going to the doctor.
Dad, no, I am too tired.
I know you are tired, but you must go.
I just need sleep.
Sleep is not enough now. You are too sick.
Okay, I will go, but help me.
Of course. Sit up slowly.
Oh, my head hurts.
Take it easy.
This is hard. I feel dizzy.
I will help you stand up. Lean on me.
Oh, wow. The room is spinning.
Just a few steps to the car. We will be fast.
Okay. I can do it.
Hello. My son needs to see a doctor.
Hello. Does he have an appointment?
No, this is urgent care. He is very sick.
I see. Please fill out these forms.
Okay. He is Mark. M-A-R-C.
Thank you. Can I see his ID and insurance card?
Here is his driver's license and the insurance card.
Thank you. And please fill out his symptoms and medical history.
I will do it. Here you go. All done.
Thank you. The doctor will call his name soon. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
How long will we wait? I hate waiting rooms.
I don't know, maybe 30 minutes?
That is too long.
Try to be patient.
I feel worse now.
Do you need to go to the bathroom?
Maybe. I don't know.
Tell me if you need to go.
Okay. I hope they call me fast.
Me too, Mark. Me too.
I am so tired of this.
I know. Just close your eyes.
Okay.
Hello, I am Dr. Lee, and you are Mark?
Yes. Hello, doctor.
Mark, you look very pale. Tell me, what is wrong?
I feel terrible. My stomach hurts.
How long has your stomach hurt?
Since yesterday afternoon?
Do you have nausea?
Yes. Very bad nausea.
Have you thrown up?
Yes. Many times.
And diarrhea?
Yes. Also many times.
I see. That is a lot of fluid loss. Let's check your temperature first.
Is it high?
Yes, it is 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I will listen to your chest. Take a deep breath. Good. Your lungs sound clear. The cough is probably from the sickness. Now, I will press on your stomach. Tell me where it hurts.
Ouch! Right there.
Okay. Does it hurt all over?
Mostly in the middle.
Did you eat anything unusual yesterday?
Yes, I think so. I ate a kebab downtown.
A kebab? When?
Yesterday for lunch.
Okay, that is important information.
What do you think it is, doctor?
I will explain everything.
I just want to feel better.
You will, Mark. You will.
Mark, your symptoms point to one thing.
What is it?
You have food poisoning.
Food poisoning? Is that serious?
It can be. It means a bad germ from the food is making you sick.
So the kebab was bad?
Most likely. The germ is causing all your problems. The nausea, the diarrhea, the fever.
What is the biggest danger?
The biggest danger is dehydration.
Dehydration? What is that?
It means your body has lost too much water.
Because of the throwing up and diarrhea.
Exactly. You are losing water faster than you are drinking it.
I feel very thirsty now.
That is a sign of dehydration. Your body needs water now.
Is he very dehydrated?
Yes, he is already dehydrated. That is why he is so exhausted.
I feel so weak.
We need to fix that right away.
What should we do?
We need to give him medicine to kill the germ, and we need to replace the water.
Will I need a shot?
No shot today, just medicine.
That is good news.
We will start the treatment plan now. First, the medicine. I am prescribing a strong medication.
What is the name?
It is an antibiotic. It will fight the bad germ.
How do I take it?
You must take one pill twice a day, once in the morning, once at night.
For how many days?
For 5 days, you must take all the pills.
Okay, I understand.
Second, rest. You must stay in bed.
No school, no work?
That is right. Stay in bed for at least 2 days.
I like that plan.
Third, fluids. This is the most important part.
What should he drink?
Water is good, but he needs electrolytes.
What are electrolytes?
They are like salts and sugar your body needs. Fourth, food. Only bland food for now.
Like what?
Toast, crackers, clear soup. No heavy food, no dairy.
No more kebabs?
No more kebabs for a while.
When will he feel better?
The medicine will start working fast. You should see a big change in 24 hours.
That is fast.
I will send the prescription to your pharmacy now.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome, Mark. Get well soon.
Hello, I am here to pick up a prescription.
Hello. What is the name?
Mark Miller, M-A-R-C.
I see it. It is for an antibiotic. Can I see your ID?
Here you go.
Mr. Miller, the prescription is ready.
Thank you.
The cost is $15 with your insurance.
I will pay with my card.
Here is the medicine. 1 pill twice a day for 5 days.
Yes, the doctor told us.
And remember to drink lots of fluids.
We will. Thank you for the reminder.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Mark, it's time to start your medicine. Here, take this pill.
Wow, that's a big one.
Here, drink this to help it go down.
It tastes kind of salty.
That's the electrolytes. They're good for you. Now you need to rest.
I'm so tired.
Lisa's making you some clear soup.
I'm not sure I can eat anything.
Just try a little later, okay?
I hope this medicine works quickly.
It will. Dr. Lee said it should start helping within 24 hours.
That feels like a long time.
I know. Try to sleep for now.
Okay. Thanks, Dot.
I love you, son.
I love you too, Dot.
Mark, good morning. How do you feel?
Lisa, I feel better.
Really? That is great news.
My stomach still hurts a little, but the nausea is gone.
That is wonderful. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept for 10 hours.
That is what you needed. Did you take your second pill?
Yes, Dot woke me up for it.
Good. You look much better.
I am still tired, but not exhausted.
Do you want to try some soup?
Yes, I'm actually hungry.
That is the best news.
I am so mad at that kebab place.
I know, it made you very sick.
I will never eat food from downtown again.
You need to be careful with street food.
I learned my lesson.
Dad said you were very dehydrated.
I feel less thirsty now. I drink a lot of that salty drink.
Good. Keep drinking it.
I want to get up.
No, Dr. Lee said stay in bed for 2 days.
Just for a little walk?
No, Mark, stay in bed.
Okay, you are right. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome, little brother.